Hey y'all, it's your girl Leek with all things Leek. I found a tinted gloss that your girl is love. Now, if you know me, I'm not really a makeup word. Anywho, Naturium, I think I'm saying it right. They have this clear. Now these are open. I have 6 to share today to do some swatches. So natural, like I said, it's just a natural. It has a vanilla scent, which if you know me, I love vanilla. So, and the applicator, mind you, is amazing. I don't know if you can see that. The shape of it. It is amazing. These are moisturizing. They leave a good shine. Smooth. I love jam and how it looks. You see the applicator. It's the same for all of these. It's just easier to put on. I was gonna say that much. These are tinted. You'll see the jam tint, and they have a good smell to it. This one smells like jam, like jelly. But I love me some jam. And Spice was my other one, open. Same applicator. I'm gonna squeeze all of it out so you guys can see, maybe. Yeah. A little bit goes a long way. It glides right on your lip. Now let's try strawberry for the first time. Here's this. Smells like strawberries. Got excited. Let's get some out. Now the first time, see, this is the first time. Look, that's how much came out. You see I have to push. The first time you use it, you do have to push to get some out. But don't go too crazy. You don't want it to squeeze out. It's really the applicator for me. Yeah. Y'all just lick my lips and it says strawberry. Whoa. Whoa. So this limited edition, the watermelon and strawberry are part of a limited edition collection, and they have flavor. Wait. Strawberry just became my favorite. I gotta go to watermelon next just because of the. Let me get some out. See, it's new, so I have to push. I pushed that much out. Yes, I did. Oh. I can smell the watermelon. It smells like watermelon candy. Y'all know that flavor. Okay. Watermelon is more of a pale pink. Still like it. Love the smell. Be honest, not a fan of the taste because it smells really sweet, but it's not giving me a sweet taste. So if you're going to go with the flavored ones, strawberry would be. The smell smells like watermelon Laffy Taffy. I'm just saying. It does. I'm going to do petal. And this again. You gotta push. Oh, I have to push that much on that one. That's good. Alright. So they're all glosses. They're all tinted. That's petal. No flavor, which I like. I do like the flavor on the strawberry, but don't want to be tasting petals, obviously. This concludes it, y'all. Favorite because of the taste and smell would be strawberry. Watermelon and petal kind of give me the same, I guess because they're so close in pink, they give me the same result. Love me some jam, love me some spice, and of course I love the natural. I do see the tint show up on jam and strawberry. Didn't think it was going to be that obvious, but to me it is. Will I buy more? Yes. Will I continue? Yes. Do I recommend? Yes. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.